Both leopards and jaguars are big cats native to the Americas, but they are different species. Here is a comparison of some key differences between the two animals. Leopards are smaller and lighter than jaguars. Adult leopards weigh around 60 to 70 kilograms, while jaguars can weigh up to 100 kilograms. Leopards have long, slender bodies and shorter legs than jaguars. Jaguars have stockier, muscular bodies and long legs. Leopard's coat pattern is characterized by circular spots arranged in rows, called rosettes. Jaguars also have rosettes, but they are usually larger and more dense than leopards. Leopards are found in a wide range of habitats including forests, grasslands, and deserts across Africa and Asia. Jaguars are found only in the Americas, from the southern United States to Argentina. They are found in a variety of habitats, including rainforests, wetlands, and grasslands. Leopards are solitary animals and are active day and night. They drag their prey up trees to protect them from skilled climbers and scavengers. Jaguars are also solitary animals, but they are mostly active at night. They are strong swimmers and are known to hunt on land as well as in water. Leopards are general predators, meaning they hunt a variety of prey depending on what is available in their habitat. They are known to hunt everything from small rodents to large deer. Leopards are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. In parts of their range, they are also threatened by persecution from cattle poaching. Jaguars are also threatened by habitat loss as well as hunting and conflict with humans. In some areas, they are at risk of being killed by herders who see them as a threat to their herds. Leopards are known for their adaptability and are able to survive in a wide range of habitats. They are able to thrive in areas with high human populations as long as there is sufficient prey and adequate cover. Jaguars are less adaptable and more sensitive to habitat loss and disturbance than leopards. They require large areas of undisturbed habitat to survive. Leopards have a shorter gestation period than jaguars, giving birth to 2 to 3 cubs after 90 to 105 days of gestation. Cubs are dependent on their mother for the first 18 to 24 months of their lives. Jaguars have a long gestation period, giving birth to 1 to 4 cubs after about 100 to 110 days of gestation. Cubs are dependent on their mother for the first 2 to 3 years of their lives. Leopards have a long history of cultural significance and have played a role in the myths and folklore of many cultures around the world. In ancient Egypt, for example, the leopard was associated with royalty and was often depicted in art and literature. Jaguars also have a long history of cultural significance in the Americas, where they have played a central role in the mythology and spiritual beliefs of many indigenous cultures. In pre-Columbian Mesoamerica, the jaguar was seen as a powerful and fearsome deity and was often depicted in art and mythology. Leopards are found in a wide range of habitats including forests, grasslands, and deserts. They are adaptable to a variety of environments and can survive in areas with high human populations, as long as there is sufficient prey and adequate cover. Jaguars are found mainly in rainforests, swamps, and grasslands. They prefer areas with dense vegetation and plenty of water, and are less tolerant of human disturbance than leopards. Leopards are skilled stalkers and raiders, and are known to drag their prey up trees to protect them from scavengers. They are also strong climbers and can hunt in trees. Jaguars are also skilled stalkers and raiders, but are more powerful and muscular than leopards and are known for their ability to kill prey with a single bite to the neck or skull. They are strong swimmers and are known to hunt in water as well as on land. The global population of leopards is difficult to estimate, but is believed to be declining in many parts of their range. Both leopards and jaguars are big cats native to the Americas, but they are different species.